Hello student, chapter number 12, exponents and powers. In that today we solve exercise 12.1. In that first question, evaluate. Evaluate means find value of given exponent. Okay. In that first one is question number 1. In that first one, that is 3 raised to minus 2. Okay. 3 raised to minus 2. When power is minus, okay, when power given in minus form, what to do? Just change position of that one. If that is at numerator side, write down denominator side, and denominator just write down numerator. That means you just write down reciprocal of base. Okay, so here 3 raised to minus 2, that means 1 upon 3. It's 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Whole raised to 2, you just write down, otherwise 1 upon 3 raised to 2. It's same because 1 is neutral number. Okay, 1 upon, so that is 1 upon 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3, it's 9. Okay, second one, look, minus 4 raised to minus 2. That means 1 upon minus 4 raised to 2 equal to 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4. Square is there, na? Means 2 times. Otherwise, directly you just write down the answer. Okay. When power is even number, power is even, that time we get plus answer because minus minus convert into plus. Okay. And odd number is there, we get minus answer. So minus convert into plus, and 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. Otherwise, look, minus minus plus, and 4 4s are 16. So answer is 1 upon 16. Number 3, that is 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. Fraction is there and power is minus. So what to do? Write down reciprocal of given fraction, that is 2 upon 1. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1 raised to 5. Okay, so 1 upon 2 raised to 5 means that 5 is power of both one, 2 raised to 5 and 1 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Answer is 32. Divided by 1 raised to 5 is 1. So final answer is 32. Okay. Now look, question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Means you just write down that answer in power notation, means exponential form, and with positive exponents. Okay, look, first one, that is minus 4 is to 5 divided by minus 4 is to 8. Okay, so write down, division is there, so write down into fraction form, minus 4 is to 5 divided by minus 4 is to 8. Okay, now division is there, means if base is same base is there, that time what to do? Just write down difference of power. Okay, then how to find out difference of that one? So greater minus smaller, means where is the smaller number? At denominator side, that is 8. So take 5 to the denominator side. Okay, so minus 4 raised to 8 minus 5, that means 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Okay, that is exponential form. Okay, what is required? Exponential form. So that's your answer. If e value is there, you just write down value of that one, but here exponential form is there. Okay, next one, second number is 1 upon 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2. Okay, so that means a upon b raised to m. So m is power of both one, same here, 2 is power of both one. So what to do? 1 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. Okay, so 1 raised to 2 means 1, and 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2, that is a raised to m raised to m. So what to do? Multiplication of both powers. So 2 raised to 3 2s are 6, that is power of power. So multiplication of 1 upon 2 raised to 6, that's your answer. Okay, look, third one, minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to 4. Okay, first we write down this one, 5 upon 3 raised to 4 means 4 is power of both one, so that is 5 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. Now look here, here minus 3 is there, here plus is there. We need plus, okay, plus 3 as a base. So what to do? Factorize minus 3, and factor of minus 3 is minus 1 into 3. Okay, we take minus sign out. Okay, 3. 4 is power of both 1 raised to 4 raised to 4. Now look here, in division form, same base and same powers are there, so it's directly cut. Okay, and minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4, 4 is even number, so we get plus answer, plus, and 1 raised to 4 is 1, because 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 5 raised to 4. So final answer is 5 raised to 4. Okay, because we need exponential form. Okay, fourth one, look, 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, so we write down into fraction form. Look, 3 raised to minus 7, division is there, so here 3 raised to minus 10, and that is in multiple form, so into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, now all are having minus power, so what to do? Change the positions. So what to do? Write down 3 raised to minus 10 and upper side, and these two are at lower side. 3 raised to 10, and here 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 5. First we solve the multiplications. Okay, so 3 raised to 10, same base are there, so what to do? Addition of power. So our answer is 3 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 12. Now division. In division, power of 3 is greater at denominator side. So what to do? 1 upon 3 raised to 12 minus 10. That means 1 upon 3 raised to 2. That's your answer. Okay. And fifth one, number 5. Look, that is 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to 3. So both are minus 7 raised to minus 3. Sorry. So both are having minus power. So what to do? Write down at denominator side. 2 raised to 3 into minus 7 raised to 3. Okay. Now look here. If 14 is there, 14 raised to 3 is there. Okay. And factorize 40, 2 into 7 whole raised to 3. We factorize the 14. So here 3 is power of both 1, means 2 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3. Okay. Now think the reverse order. 2 raised to 3, 7 raised to 3, means 3 is common. 7 2s are, and 7 2s are 14. Same here, we multiply them. So what's the answer? 1 upon, okay, power is 3, and here plus and here minus, multiplication of these two numbers. So plus minus minus, 7 2s are 14. So answer is 1 upon minus 14 raised to 3. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the value of, means here the expressions are given, exponents, you just find out answer of that one. Okay, first one is 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 square. Okay, so look here, 3 raised to 0, if any number or variable having 0 power, that means that is 1. And 4 raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 4 raised to 1, means 1 upon 4. Okay, into 2 square, 2 square, 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, otherwise what to do? Write down exponential form of this one. Okay, now 1 means 1 upon 1, so two fractions are there, between them addition is there, so what to do? Take LCM, that is 4. Now 1 4s are and 4 1s are, so 4 1s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 into 4. So 4 and 1, 5 upon 4 into 4. 4 4 cut. So answer is 5. Okay. Now second number. Look. 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Okay. So let me write them. 2 raised to minus 1. Multiplication is there. 4 raised to minus 1. And here division is there. Write down at denominator side. 2 raised to minus 2. Now all are having minus power. So what to do? Change the positions. So 2 raised to 2 becomes at numerator side, and here 2 raised to 1 and 4 raised to 1. Okay. Now write down factors of 4. So here 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 1 means 2 into 4 raised to 1 means 4, and factors of 4. 4 means 2 into 2, that is 2 times. 2 into 2, 2 times means 2 square. Okay. So look, same base and same power is there, directly cut them. So here no number is there, means 1. Okay. So answer is 1 upon 2. Clear? Third one, 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 2. Look, all are the fractions and all are having negative power. So what to do? Write down reciprocal of that one. Okay. So reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1 raised to 2 plus 3 upon 1 raised to 2 plus 4 upon 1 raised to 2. Okay. 2 upon 1 raised to 2. That means that is 2 raised to 2 upon 1 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 2 upon 1 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 2 1 raised to 2. Now 2 raised to 2 means 4. Divided by 1 raised to 1, that is 1. So ignore that one. 1 is neutral number. Okay. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Otherwise you just write down 1 1 1 and then ignore that one. Okay. So 4 plus 9 plus 16 equal to, answer is 29. That's your answer. Okay. Next one. Look. Question number 4. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 raised to 0. Okay. If power is 0, we get 0 answer. Means 1 answer. Okay. But here you just compulsory you have to show the calculation steps. Okay. So what to do? Look, 3 raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 3 raised to 1. Ignore that one. Plus 4 raised to 1 means 1 upon 4, and that is 1 upon 5 raised to 0. Now take LCM here. 3, 4, 5. Then what is the LCM? Look, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3 za, 2 za, 5 za. Again 2, 3 za, 1 za, 5 za. Then 3, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. You know that how to find out the LCM. What is LCM? 5 is a 15, 2 is 30, 2 is 60. So LCM is 60. Okay. Now here 23 is 15 4s and 12 5s. So 20 1s are 20 plus 15 1s are 15 plus 12 1s are 12 raised to 0. So 47 upon 60 raised to 0. So answer is 1. Okay. Compulsory you have to show the steps. Okay. And fifth one, that is minus 2 divided by 3 raised to minus 2 and all raised to 2. Okay. First we simplify the small bracket. Okay. So look, here minus 2 power is there. So what to do? Write down reciprocal of that number. Okay. So minus power is there, minus is there, and reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2 raised to 2 and whole raised to 2. Right? Reciprocal is there. We write down reciprocal. So minus power convert into plus. Okay. So that means minus 3 raised to 2. Here 2 is power of both ones. So minus 3 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2 whole raised to 2. Okay. Minus 3 raised to 2, that is 9. We know that minus 3 raised to 2 means minus 3 into minus 3. And 2 raised to 2 is 4 whole raised to 2. Now again 2 is power of both one. Okay. So what to do? 9 square 4 square equal to 9 square is 81 divided by 16. Okay. Look here. Here the power of power, if you directly multiply them and find out the answer, that is also possible. What to do? Minus 3 upon 2, and here power of power means multiplication of both one. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 is power of both ones. So minus 3 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 4 equal to, minus is there and power is even number, so we get plus answer, plus, and 3 is to 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81, and 2 is to 4, 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16. Okay, same answer is there. So you just do with any one method. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. Look, evaluate this one. Okay, means find the value of given exponents. Okay, in that first one is 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, so what to do? Write down exponent with positive power as usual. Okay, positive exponent as usual. Then change the position of negative base with negative power. So what to do? Write down 2 raised to minus 4 at upper side, 2 raised to 4. Okay, and minus 8 raised to minus 1 is there, it's come at denominator side. 8 raised to 1 means 8. Okay, now factorize 8, means write down prime factors of 8. 8 2s are 4, 2s are 2, and 2s are 1. So 3 times 2 is there. So 5 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and here 2 raised to 3, because 2 is 3 times. So 2 raised to 3. Factors of that one. Now same base are there and they are in division form. So what to do? Difference of power. So 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 minus 3. Okay, so 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 1. 5 raised to 3 means 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. That is 125 into 2. 2 raised to 1 means 2. And answer is 250. Okay. Second one. That is 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. Okay. Look, all are in at numerator side and all are having minus power. So what to do? Write down at denominator side. So 5 raised to 1, 2 raised to 1, and 6 raised to 1 equal to. Now factorize the non-prime numbers. 6 is not prime number. So what to do? Factorize that one. So 1 upon 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 1 into factors of 6 is 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay, and power is 1. So both are having 1 power. Now check the base, same base, exponent with same base. These two are 2 and 2 power. So what to do? Addition of their powers. So 1 upon 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 3 raised to 1. So what is the answer? 1 upon 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2. 1 plus 1 means 2 into 3 raised to 1. So 1 upon 5 into 2 raised to 2 is 4, and that is 3. So 1 upon 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60. So answer is 1 upon 60. Okay. Now question number 5. Okay. What is the question? Read. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Okay. For 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Just find out value of m. Okay. So look here. Here division, sign of division is there. So we write down into fraction form, means division form. Raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Now here minus power is there, exponent is minus. So what to do? Write down at numerator side. Okay. So 5 raised to, now that is in division form, we write down at numerator side. So become in multiple. 5 raised to 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. And look, they are in multiple form. Both are having 5, same base. So 5 raised to m plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Addition of power. Now look, both of side. If equal to is there, both of sides same base is there, and value of both are equal, that means powers are also equal. So 5 m plus 3 equal to 5. So m equal to 5 plus 3 is there, which change side, it's become a minus. So m equal to 2. The value of m is equal to 2. Okay. Now question number 6. What is the question? Question is evaluate in that first one. Look, question is 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 and whole raised to minus 1. Okay, let me find that one. Look, 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1, here minus power is there, so what to do? Write down fraction of reciprocal of that one. 3 upon 1 raised to 1, it's become 1, minus same here 4 upon 1 raised to 1 whole raised to minus 1. Okay, so 3 raised to 1, that is 3, and 1 raised to 1 is neutral number 1. Okay, minus same here 4 and raised to minus 1. Now what is the difference? Here plus is there, sign of biggest number minus, plus minus minus, 4 minus 3 is 1, minus 1 raised to minus 1. Minus 1 means 1 upon 1. Okay, and power is minus 1, so what to do? Write down reciprocal of that one. So minus 1 upon 1, reciprocal of that one is 1 upon 1, and here 1 means plus answer is there, and power is 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 is odd number, we get minus answer, minus 1, and 1 raised to 1 is 1. So our final answer is minus 1. Okay. Now look second one, that is 5 upon 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 upon 5 raised to minus 4. Okay, look, check the powers. Minus power is there, so what to do? Write down reciprocal of that one, that is second number. 8 upon 5 raised to 7, same here 5 upon 8 raised to 4. So for this one, 7 is power of both one, so 8 raised to 7 and 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 4, 8 raised to 4. Okay, now check the base. Here 8 and 8, and they are in division form, so what to do? Write down difference of power. So 8 raised to 7 minus 4. Same for 5. Power of 5 is greater at denominator side, so what to do? Take 4 at downside. So 5 raised to 7 minus 4. So here answer is 8 raised to 3, and here 5 raised to 3, equal to 8 raised to means 8 into 8 into 8. Okay, 8 is the 64, 64 is the 512. Okay, and 5 raised to 3 is 125. So answer is 512 divided by 125. Okay, so easy. Now question number 7, simplify. Look in that first one, question is 25 into t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. Okay, sorry, t raised to, and here t is not equal to 0 is given. Okay, that is for information only. Okay, you just ignore that one. Now here write down the positive number first. 25 and 10, they are positives. Okay, and these are the numbers with negative exponent. So what to do? Change position. So 5 raised to minus 3 and t raised to minus 8, write down at numerator side here. So they becomes with positive exponent, and t raised to minus 4 at downside. Okay, now look, check which are not a prime numbers, 25 and 10. Okay, base with without prime number. Okay, so factorize that one. 25, factors of 25 is 5 into 5. 25 equal to 5 into 5 equal to, means 2 times 5, so write down 5 square. Okay, into 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 8, and factor of 10, that is 2 into 5, means 2 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1 into t raised to 4. Okay, now first simplify the multiples. which are in with same base and we in multiple form. Okay, so what to do? Addition of power. So 5 raised to 2 plus 3 into t raised to 8 divided by 2 into 5 into t raised to 4. Okay, so what to do? 5 raised to 5 equal to 5 raised to 5 into t raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1 into t raised to 4. Now division. Look, 5 and 5 same base. So what to do? Minus difference of power. So 5 raised to 5 minus 1. Same here. T raised to 8 minus 4. Divided by 2 raised to 1 means 2. Ignore that one. So here 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4. Okay. Divided by 2. 5 raised to 4 means 5 into 5 into 5, 625, 4 times, and t raised to 4 divided by 2. That's your answer. Okay, and second one, that is 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 raised to 7 minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. First change the positions. Look, 125 is positive, write down as usual, and rest of all are with negative exponent. So what to do? Change position. 5 to 7 and 6 to 5 at the numerator side, and 3 to 5 and 10 to 5 at denominator side. Okay, now factors 125. Okay, 125, that is 5 25, 5 5 and 5 1. So 3 times 5 is there. Write down 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7 into 6. Okay, 6 factors of 6 and raised to 5 is there. Look here, 6 raised to 5 and factor of 6, that is 2 into 3 raised to 5. Okay, that means 2 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5. Write down that one. So directly we write down 6 raised to 5 at the place of that one, 2 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5. Okay, now here 3 raised to 5 into, same here, look, 10 raised to 5. How to write down directly that one? So write down prime factor of 10 first, that is 2 into 5, we know that, and power is 5 na, so write down both are with 5 power, exponent 5. Okay, so 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5, same base and power, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, directly cut. Okay, now first multiplication. So 5 raised to 3 plus 7, same base, so addition of power, and 5 raised to 5 equal to 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5 equal to, now division is there. Okay, same base, so subtraction of power, 5 raised to 10 minus 5 means 5 raised to 5 equal to 5 raised to 5. Okay, so 5 times 5, just write down directly, otherwise 5 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 25, 25 5 is a 125, 5 is a 625, 5 is a 3125. That's your answer. Okay, so student, here our exercise 12.1 is complete. You just complete that exercise in your notebook. Okay, 12.2 we will solve in next period. Okay, thank you.